Hey guys, Merry Christmas and festivities and all those things that you're meant to say this time of the year. In order to get in the spirit, I made something that was really Christmassy, a spiral Christmas tree. And I'm going to show you how to make that. But before I do, I just want to say thank you to all you guys out there that supported me. Really enjoy making these videos, and it makes it even more enjoyable when people watch the videos and make nice comments for the most part. I hope you guys have a really good holiday season. Be responsible. I guess that goes without saying. I hope. Let's have a look at how to make this spiral Christmas tree. Hey guys, Happy New Year. No, it's not Happy New Year. Let me start again. Cut.